Good afternoon. The Albuquerque man accused of street racing and crashing into a school bus full of children will be released from jail while he awaits trial. In an unusual move, prosecutors had asked that he stay behind bars. News 13's Gabe Chavez has more from today's hearing.
Mario Perez's criminal history includes just 2 prior speeding tickets, one which was dismissed. But prosecutors argue today those cases, along with the crash, should have been enough to keep him locked up.
In regards to this specific incident, Your Honor, the defendant had a habit for speeding, and it did come to a point where he was actively engaging in a race with another vehicle.
Perez is charged with 2 counts of great bodily harm by motor vehicle for the February crash on Gibson near 98th. Witnesses told police Perez was street racing and going more than 100 miles per hour when he crashed into a school bus full of 23 kids on board. One child suffered a pelvic fracture and another a femur fracture. Despite a lack of criminal history, prosecutors filed a motion asking a judge to keep him locked up until the trial, telling News 13 they took into account the level of recklessness, the extent of harm, as well as the number of people put at risk. Today, Judge Hart agreed he was a threat to the community and denied the motion, saying there were conditions of release that could keep the community safe.
Driving is not a right, it's a privilege. And you're not to drive while this case is pending. Any questions about that?
No, ma'am, not at all.
Are you going to follow that instruction of the court?
100%, ma'am.
Perez was also injured in the crash. According to his attorney, he spent about a month in the hospital and rehab and is still unable to drive. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Gabe. Now, another case with a similar outcome involved Manuel Soria. The 22-year-old is charged with vehicular homicide by reckless driving and racing for a deadly crash that happened in May near Coors and Pajarito. 35-year-old Reverend Graham Golden was killed, his passenger injured when that car collided with his. Soria's criminal record is minimal. Prosecutors again argued because he was driving so aggressively he had no regard for the safety of those around him. That motion was also denied and he was released under strict conditions, including not being able to drive.